In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a used car from Facebook Marketplace, providing a step-by-step guide to make the process smooth and straightforward. Let's dive right in by first heading over to Facebook itself. Start by opening up your Facebook account using your preferred browser or through the app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already, as we'll be navigating through Facebook's various sections. Now, locate the marketplace icon. This is typically found in the menu on the left side of your screen if you're on a desktop, or in the menu bar if you're using a mobile device. This feature is a fantastic resource for buying and selling items locally and is used by millions of people, so you'll definitely be in good company. Click on the marketplace icon to proceed. Upon entering the marketplace, look for the vehicles category. You should find it under the sidebar options on the left or in the upper sections of categories within the main marketplace page. By selecting the vehicles category, you'll be narrowing down your search specifically to vehicle listings, making it much easier to find what you're looking for. Once you're in the vehicle section, the next step is to click on cars. This further refines your search to show only car listings, filtering out other types of vehicles like motorcycles or trucks that you might not be interested in. This step helps you focus directly on the type of vehicle you want. When you see the list of available cars, you can now choose according to your liking. Here, it's a great opportunity to refine your search by using the various filters available. You can tailor your results based on price range, vehicle make and model, location, and more. Take your time to browse through the options, carefully considering your preferences and budget. After you've found a car that catches your eye, it's time to reach out to the seller. On the listing page in the bottom right corner, you'll see an option to send seller a message. Clicking this will open up a direct conversation with the seller where you can inquire more about the vehicle, arrange a test drive, and negotiate the price if needed. Always remember to communicate clearly and don't hesitate to ask for additional information or pictures if necessary. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to making an informed and confident purchase on Facebook Marketplace. Remember, patience and thorough research are key when making such an important purchase. Thanks for watching, and happy car hunting!